Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Priska Febrianti Puspitasari with number 224308008 from the class 4A Rolling Stock Engineering Study Program and with my friend.
Hello everyone, my name is Adniko Saputra with number 224308005 of class 4A Rolling Stock Engineering Study Program.
Today we will present the simulation intended of control or speed control of 15-volt DC motor. This is the logic gate. And then if the input power is low, and then the input rotation is low, also the output result is the off. Then the input power is low, and then the input rotation is high. Also, the output, the result is off. Then the next, if input power is high and then input rotation is low, output, the result is rotate counterclockwise. And then the last, the input, the power is high and the rotation is high. The output, the result of motor DC is rotate in clockwise.
Okay, this is the coding in Arduino IDE. There are 4 pins being used. Power pin 13 is used to control the power of the motor. Rotation pin 12 is used to control the rotation of the motor. Switch pin A0 is used as an input to control the power of the motor. Motor pin A1 is used as an input to control the rotation of the motor. In the setup function, these pins are set as either output or input according to their needs. In the loop function, the state of the switch pin and motor pin are read and used to control the power pin and rotation pin. This Proteus simulation show how the Arduino coder I created earlier work with the component in the circuit. Here, the explanation. If the input power is low and the input rotation is also low, the DC motor will turn off. This happens because there is not enough power to drive the motor. If the input power is low, but the input rotation is high, the DC motor will also turn off. Even though there is a request for rotation, but because the input power is low, the motor will not rotate. If the input power is high and the input rotation is low, the DC motor will rotate counterclockwise. This indicates that The motor is receiving enough power, but there is no request for rotation. So, the motor rotates counterclockwise. Lastly, if both the input power and input rotation are high, the DC motor will rotate clockwise. This indicates that the motor is receiving enough power and there is a request for rotation. So, the motor rotates clockwise.
This is the simulation indirect of control or speed control of 15-volt DC motor. Precisely, we apologize if there were any mistake in did or word, either intentionally or unintentionally. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.